started recording for the.
Yeah, okay.
Bottom ones, be careful, they have ballista.
Okay, I'm gonna fake very soon. I'm faking. This is fake, this is fake, this is fake. Don't engage, don't engage. Okay, get ready. I'm gonna look. Very soon I'm gonna look, okay? I'm gonna do fast engage. I'm looking east, In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on top me, east, on top me. More damage. There's one demon, bro. Kill this. The hell, come back. Kill demon. Yo, watch out, there's a bomb. Yo, watch out, they have a bomb, okay? Bomb can change position. OC right now. You tell me your cooldowns. Ready? Get ready, looking east in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, right on top me. So they have a guard room. Come back. Reset. Keep spamming. Yeah, I need the health for the gate, okay?
40%.
40, okay. We're gonna engage one more, then we're gonna go, okay? Tell me your cooldown.
5.
I'm gonna fake. This is fake. Okay, get ready. I'm gonna engage. Big engage. East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right on top me. On the gate, on the night armor. Okay, come back to the second gate. Come back northwest. Zone northwest. Bomb zone northwest. Come up. Venom died, bro. How did you die, bro? Come up. Did you go out?
नहीं दरवाजे
No, they engaged.
Come back. Gear up and come again. Stay here. Come up, bro. I already gave you a call. 1 engage and we're gonna go back. Come up. Stay here. Just stay here. Yo, Ember, watch out.
नरेश को पार्टी
Good job. Just X up, bro. Right? You don't give these calls right now. Just write in guild chat. That's it. Yo, get ready. Shallow after the guard rune on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right on top of me. Bro, they have good guard runes. Okay, come back. You watch out. Tell me your cooldowns. Cold monk. Don't fake right now.
9 seconds.
I'm gonna fake. Okay, This is fake. Okay, get ready. Looking east. Big engage east. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top me. More damage. Kill this. Swipe this. More damage. Okay, come back. Some of you are shooting right now. Okay, watch out defense. Heal bank, Karen. Heal bank. Tell me your cooldowns. One more engage and we go up. I need the health of the gate. How much on the gate?
4 seconds.
Yo, I need gate health.
53. Round ready.
Okay, fine. This is fake. Everybody inch up. Okay, use your shoes and inch up. We're gonna fake with shoes. In 3, in 2, in 1. Just fake. This is fake. Okay, this is fake. Now get ready. I'm gonna look south. On top of me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me. Yeah, the guardians are too good, man. Come back. Gate health, please.
I disconnected about 20.
6%.
Okay, fine. Come back southwest. Use your shoes. Come back southwest. Come up the gate. Everybody come up the gate. They're gonna engage. Come up. Yeah, good
I'm
job, bro. Come up. Just come up. Yeah, he's DC. Okay, come up. Just stay up. Just stay up. It's fine.
They
You need to speak when you're engaging, bro. So I know when to push, when not to. You just spread away. Just stay away. Okay, I'm gonna fake. This is fake. This is just fake. You get ready. You're gonna look east. Wait, just hold. Let them inch up. Just let them inch up. Just stay away. It's all good. Just stay. Hold. Just hold. Look, they are playing smart, bro. They're not even touching the walls, right? This is how you know how to play. Defensive. Okay, good job, bro. Why are you extending over there, man? Why? You guys have to stay back, bro. Don't cross the gate. Even D-tanks don't have to cross the gate. Mega, come back. Farish, stay back, please. Just stay here. Get ready. Shallow east. Very soon. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top me. This one guy. Very good. It's fine. Come back. They're gonna engage on the gate. Watch out. Come back. Tell me your cooldowns fast. Tell me your cooldowns. Okay, ready?
6 seconds.
Get ready. Okay.
6 seconds, bro.
Okay, get ready. I'm gonna go out and gonna get a big clump. Okay, get ready. I'm looking northeast. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Big clump, bro. More damage. What the hell? Okay, watch out. Defensive. Heals. And defensive. Okay, good job. Nice. Just stay over here. Stay over. Just hold. I'm gonna look northeast again. You guys are good? Get ready. On top of me. East. Yeah.
Ready.
Get ready. Shallow east. You see 2 people east, right? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me. Just on top of me. On 2 people. More damage, bro. At least kill 1, bro. What the hell? Just spread away. Spread. And gate health, please. Yo, come back up, come back up, come back up, come back up, come back up. Let them come up, okay? Gonna look big engage on the choke. Come back, 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 come back. Yo guys, are you looking? Are you looking at the guard runes? Whoever is playing Bedrock and this Oathkeeper, right? Just look at the guard runes, how big of an impact it is. Sorry? Yo, get ready. I'm gonna fast engage southeast, okay? Fast engage southeast in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top of me, on the wall, on the wall. Just come back, come back, come back, come back, come back again, man. That's just one guard rune and stop the whole engage. Just stay here. Tell me your cooldowns, bro. I need cooldowns fast.
Then engage, bro. What the fuck?
Heal all might.
Wow.
Because they're gonna engage from there.
Cooldown ready.
Stay here, just stay here, just stay here. Okay, fine. Just hold, just hold, just hold, just hold, just hold, just hold. I'll have to fake, man. I'll have to fake. I'll have to fake. Just
Do
fake,
original,
just
bro.
fake,
Do real, do real.
just fake. I can't, bro. I can't.
You can do over the wall southeast.
No, no. See, they are not
No,
inching up, bro.
they're a
And
healer,
if I do,
there's a
they will
healer.
counter
There's
you.
a southeast
Just
healer.
hold over. Just hold over. Just hold over. Just hold over. Hold, hold, hold. They are waiting for you guys to engage, and they're gonna walk up. Okay. Just hold over. Hold, 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 hold. Take your time. It's fine. Need one mistake from them, and we're gonna catch them on the choke. Okay. Again, I'm gonna fake.
Wait for their engage and then bomb squad.
Yeah, I think gonna do that. Okay, if they engage, I'm gonna jump in. I'm gonna get a big clump. Okay. Gonna look. Maybe they're gonna look over undercover. Just your Qs and Ws on this battle mount if you can. Just Qs and Ws on the battle mount. Qs and Ws. Don't chase him. Don't chase him, bro. Come back. Don't chase him. Only while he's there. Don't give them an angle for engage. Okay, they're gonna look. They're gonna look again. Okay, not. They're gonna look not. You get ready. Headbutt in 3, 2, 1. On top, on top, on top, on top. Kill this one. Kill this one. Kill this one. Fine. Come back. 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 Reset. 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 Tell me your cooldowns, bro. Tell me your cooldowns. Tell me your cooldowns.
4 seconds.
5, right? 8. Okay, just hold. Just hold. Just hold. Again, same thing I'm gonna do. Okay. Once they engage, I'm gonna headbutt. Okay.
They are looking.
Watch out, but don't inch up too close, okay? Don't give them an engage. Don't give an engage. You get ready, looking east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top, me on top. Come back, come back. It's fine. Fail engage, fail engage, fail engage. Come back, come back, come back. See, they are doing the same thing, bro. They're trying to counter. Just hold over here. Tell me your cooldowns. Tell me your cooldowns. Heal cold, heal cold, heal cold. Cold, do you have cleric call? No, right? Okay. If you don't have your Giga, don't go in. Okay? If you don't have your Giga, don't go in. So, listen, Cold, how we gonna do this is, right? I need you to go southeast and pull them northwest, okay? And I'm gonna engage. Okay? I'm gonna call for a 5, okay? You can stay south. You don't have to stay inside them always, okay? You can stay south. Just stay here. Just stay here. I'm gonna fake right now, okay? I'm gonna fake. This is fake. This is fake. Just hold, hold, hold. This is fake. 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 Yeah, get ready. Yo, get ready. Get ready south. Get ready southeast in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top. Big club, big club, big club. Kill this. Wipe this, bro. Wipe this. Wipe this. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. My coming dead. Come back. Go back. Go back up. Go back up. Go back up. Hold them on the choke. Hold them on the choke. Hold them on the choke. You guys, if you died, re-gear. If you died, re-gear. Just hold over here. Just hold over here. Bro, what is happening? Why didn't damage land over there? You guys got G8 or what?
No, G was Bedrock.
Bro, that was a huge clump, man. Seriously, that would have been a party vibe. Just hold, just hold, just hold, just hold. Defensive, defensive, defensive. Heals, 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 heals.
Wow, fucking man.
Good job.
Bro.
Just hold, man. Bro, defensives. Hello, we have 2 demons. Heals. I died through Giga, man.